Here we are at Wilmington Range Chalet. This is a log home I built back in 2013, and I've been renting it ever since. One of my favorite things about this property is the access to the Ausable River. It's down a steep bank, 110 steps directly from the house down to the river bank of the Ausable River. And there's a nice sitting deck under the hemlock trees. We have some string lighting. It's really a magical place. Just sit, listen to the sounds of the river, enjoy the peace and quiet. The Ausable River and the proximity to Whiteface Mountain just make this cabin really a special and memorable and peaceful place to stay. So this is quite unusual to have such a peaceful setting, yet we're only 30 seconds from Main Street in Wilmington and the grocery store and the shops in a kind of downtown Wilmington. We're 5 minutes away from Whiteface Mountain ski area. So this is really a year-round destination. In the summertime, there's fly fishing and all the hiking and mountain biking that Wilmington is known for with all their trail networks. In the springtime, it's very nice to fly fish and to still hike in the springtime. In the fall, there's fall foliage, which lingers into the third week of October. And of course, in wintertime, it's also nice to visit here in the Wilmington area because you have Whiteface Mountain, which is the site of the 1980 Winter Olympics. So you have world-class Olympic mountain skiing 5 minutes from the cabin. Wilmington Range Chalet has 2 bedrooms, 1 king bed upstairs, which has a walkout balcony, which overlooks this Ausable River Valley and Whiteface Mountain through the taller pines surrounding it. And then downstairs on the first floor is a queen bed. We also have another twin bed upstairs in an open sitting area, so it really can be considered about 2.5 bedroom. And that additional twin bed is great for kids or overflow. There is 2 full bathrooms. Upstairs has a jacuzzi tub, and first floor just has a stand-up shower. One of my favorite things about Wilmington Range Chalet is the large decks that it has, both on the first floor as well as the upstairs master bedroom walkout balcony. On both decks, you can sit out overlooking this Ausable River Valley down below behind the back of the house. You can listen to the sound of the river, and even though we're only about 30 seconds from some of the shops in Wilmington, it's exceptionally quiet here and peaceful on this small little slice of our river. On the front of the property is Wildernesscapes Gallery, which is my own photography gallery. It's set up by self-guided basis on appointment, so a handful of times per month we'll have visitors stop by there. And of course, guests are also welcome to go anytime, 24 hours a day, to enjoy the Adirondack landscape photography that I have featured there. The cabin is set back at the rear of the parcel, so you drive past the gallery, and the cabin space and exterior around the cabin and the yard, that's completely private and solely for guest use. For the exterior amenities for Wilmington Range Chalet, we have a fire pit with complimentary firewood. We also have a canoe on the property that guests can use on nearby ponds like Lake Everest, which is just 2 minutes away by vehicle. Guests would need to bring their own pickup truck to put the canoe in the back of, but it's great to be able to transport it into town and go for a calm paddle at the base of Whiteface Mountain. Here on the Ausable River, it's not really suitable for paddling, but it's a great place to splash and cool off on a warm summer day. Dogs love to play down here, and kids, with parent supervision, would love to play down here in these shallow parts of the Ausable River. When you come and stay here at Wilmington Range Chalet, my hope is that you'll enjoy the peace and quiet of the Adirondacks and the solitude of nature, the sounds of the Ausable River, the views of the mountains across from the rear deck, and just really reconnect with yourselves and, of course, with the Adirondack nature, and, of course, getting out into the wider High Peaks area. It's really the perfect, quiet, peaceful getaway here in the Wilmington area.